So guys, the time is now 7:25. I'm on East Bull Island here in Dublin Bay. As you can see, there's a few clouds coming up. We have a nice bit of sun coming up over in the corner, so golden hour. I'm glad it's not a clear sky, because clear skies are boring. High tide, waves are coming in fast, so with a bit of brightness that's going to look lovely on the drone. And at the moment the only photographs I've taken are with my iPhone. I tried low light photography trying to get the morning sky, and hopefully I can get a few new shots for you today. Something a bit different from going to the city centre. I know you can't really see me, I'm probably silhouetted here, but I still have that wrist strap on my hand from my badly sprained hand, so walking around the city centre where possibility of tripping doesn't seem like a good idea when I'm off to Iceland in a few weeks, so I want to make sure this recovers well. Anyhow, I hope to get a few nice shots. I'm going to try to talk you through what I'm doing, and let's enjoy this lovely sunrise together. I'll do a little what's in my bag after, because one or two people have asked me. I pretty much carry light, go light gear. So yeah, let's sit back and relax and enjoy this. Maybe watch it with your coffee. Razor fish shell. So I'm shooting with a 28mm lens, aperture f5.6. I want to try to get in as much light as possible, but that's on this lens, that's the lowest it goes. So I'm perfect focus, lined up. I have a shutter speed of 1/4 of a second, which will be slow, so I have to hold it very still. I'm shooting this one in black and white. Yeah, that's come out nice. I'm going to switch it over to colour now, because one of the reasons why I shot a lot of black and white in the past was, as lovely as these cameras are, they were built with a Kodak sensor, an APS-H, not an APS-C, which unfortunately didn't have an infrared filter on it. So what happens is when you were shooting colour, it would actually cause colour fringing on colours like red, green, black, etc. So I eventually got around to getting an IR UV filter, and the colour shots out of this now are stunning. I absolutely love them. So scenes like this, I'm shooting a lot more colour. It's really good. So I'm switching over again now. I'm still focused from earlier. For some reason, I'm getting 1/8 of a second now, which is a bit better. Lovely. It's got that lovely creamy smooth texture that you expect from a Leica camera, and the reason why this particular camera is loved so much by Leica photographers and photographers in general is with the Kodak sensor on it. It gives that lovely creamy smooth, like almost like film like look to the photographs, because it's the only digital camera in the world at the moment that gives that film look to its photographs. So I'm going to go out a bit closer here, maybe just get a shot closer to the waves coming in, see how I do. I'm going to wait for a little break coming closer. Okay, I have one here. Bit of movement on that. Yeah, lovely. Oh, okay. I forget the tide's coming in, I don't want to get soaked. Now I might just try a little abstract shot here. I'm going to do a motion blur with the slow shutter speed. I'm just going to move the camera right to left and see what type of effect I get. So it's at 1/4 of a second. I'm shooting for the dark spot in the sky there, and okay, that was a bit too quick, so maybe I'll center it a bit more. Oh yeah, I absolutely love that. So a couple of shots already worthwhile. I'm going to stop the video for a minute and get the drone up, and let's see what type of footage we can get. So stay tuned, because there's more to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe, watch these videos, share them with friends. It really helps my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm at 740, so a good push, please. Thank you very much. Elvis, thank you very much. Oh. Had an idea a second ago. I'm going to try to walk up towards the waves and then walk back with them using a slow shutter speed as I expose the shot and see how well it looks. Whoop. Didn't work too well. You got to practice though.
Young Shamish, my name is Aborat. Welcome to my movie films. Today we talk about sexy time with the cameras. Okay, I go. What the fuck?
Yeah, go on, get out of here, you bollocks, you crazy Kazakhstani. Jesus, I tell you what. Who was that bozo? Anyhow, René Bruun back with you, as if you didn't know who it was. I've been asked by a few people what's in my bag. Better straighten my head up here. Have to try to look cool for this video, you know. So yeah, I'll go through it. No need to get the popcorn, this is going to be quick. So it's a National Geographic camera bag given to me by my friend Keith Nixon. Thank you very much, Keith. So in the back I normally have my tripod, which is basically being used to hold the phone at the moment, filming. I would normally also keep my iPad Pro, but at the moment, because of sand from the tripod being down on the beach earlier, I have it here. Not bragging or anything, but I got a great deal on this one. I normally wouldn't spend €1,200 on an iPad Pro, but when this came out, Littlewoods had a placemat on their website because it wasn't officially out yet, and I said pre-order. And then when it did come out, some idiot had put the wrong price in and put in €629 instead of €1,029, I believe was the exact price. So I got it for $629. Score one for René. I keep my drone in here, DJI Mavic Mini 3. I also keep the lock for my bike because I cycle everywhere, I don't drive. Quick tip, always lock your bike. Don't think it's safe just because you're 10 feet away when you're taking photographs. You only have to have your back turned a second and some idiot is going to come and steal your bike. Unfortunately, that's the state of society today, between illegal immigrants, which I hate saying, but between illegal immigrants who just want to get money for food and stuff, or whatever they need it for, and junkies and just people, teenagers who don't respect other people's property. But enough about that. In the pockets, I don't usually carry much, so this one I have fuck all. And in this one I have my USB-C SD card reader, so I can plug it straight into the iPad and edit on the go, which is great. In the bottom zip here, I would normally have my Leica M8, which I will actually put away in a few minutes. At the moment though, I have my DJI radio mics plugged into the phone, which are here. I have two extra mics, so they're wireless, which is great. ideal for videos. And I have a DJI Osmo 3 which I can set up, and this is a gimbal which I can use for videos if I'm filming myself without a tripod, and it has auto tracking, which is great, so it works really well. It will come in handy now in about 8-9 weeks time when I go to Iceland and the Blue Lagoon, the Sky Lagoon and stuff, where I want to have the gimbal and keep the phone out of the water. Perfect. So that's basically it. Told you I wasn't much to look at. I like to travel light. And as you'd expect now, after leaving the beach area, I'm going to turn the camera in a minute. The sun is coming through the very bottom of a very dark cloud and it looks excellent. So hang on with me. Oh, before I finish, thanks for watching. As I said, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos. Now, when you see this, in Ireland we have an expression for this: bleeding typical. Bleeding typical. As soon as I leave the beach, great big orange ball of fire just pops out of the water and goes into the cloud. Ah well, maybe next time.